In this video, I'll present you my hackathon project, Debt Tycoon, which is a rock, paper, scissors game with a slight twist because it's also a resource management survival economy sim. To play the game, you first have to stake some stablecoins to enter a tournament. Then you'll get resources to play rock, paper, scissors with other people. Those resources are coins, cards, an equal amount of rock, paper, scissors cards, and lives. Now, you play against other players. If you lose, you give them one of your life. And when you play a card, that card is gone forever. Every interval, you also lose some of your coins and your debt increases. To win, you have to exit before the end of the tournament, but to be able to exit, you need to have 0 cards in your hand and enough lives and coins to cover the exit toll. The thing is, you can only exit during the last interval of the game. And if you manage to do so, you're a winner and you will get a share of the prize pool, which is made out of staked stablecoins. But that means that if you lose 100% of your stake. You can also decide to forfeit earlier, but you will lose a certain percentage of that stake. And this is designed by the game designer. And they can also, that means, create tournaments with rules that would make the economy a collapsing economy. Now, lucky for you, there are other mechanisms in the game for you to have enough resources to exit on time. You can decide to trade coins, lives, and cards with other players, or you can interact with the shared mystery deck. That deck has cards with completely randomized effects that can change the outcome of your next match or give you unexpected resources or take those resources from you. To interact with the deck, you have to give some coins and you'll be able to draw, add or remove cards or even shuffle a deck. That deck is shared to all players and no one will know what they will draw. Now, every player also have a secret randomized objective, and if you fulfill that objective, you can exit earlier than allowed. Now, how does it all work? Debt Tycoon is built on a hybrid infrastructure. There are things on-chain and things off-chain. And in the middle, there are index events which allow the smart contracts and the backend, which is made out of actors, to interact with each other. The smart contracts are made out of 2 parts, the infra and the modules. In the infrastructure, you have the token whitelist, the deck catalog, the tournament registry, and a factory. That factory creates tournaments and their modules. Each tournament contract manages the entry, exit, forfeit rules, and the economy calculation and life cycle of a tournament. Now you also have different modules which manage combat, trading, and the mystery deck. The randomness is 50% off-chain and 50% on-chain. Now, for the backend, it's made with durable objects or actors, and those report outcomes of trades, battles, and mystery deck interactions back to the contracts. Now, where is the game? Well, the contracts are done, but honestly, it's the wrong tool for the job or the wrong execution. Currently, it's around 50% on-chain and 50% off-chain. It's not really the proper implementation, and I'm not sure I'm using the graphical API properly. Honestly, it should be 80% off-chain with 20% on-chain, with the entry rules, stakes, winner reports, and all that managed on-chain. But all of the game state and game mechanics should be off-chain. And currently, that's not the case. That means I spent a lot of times on solidity and smart contract optimization instead of game design, which is kind of a skill issue. But that means I'm also remaking the game. So that's Debt Tycoon. Thank you for watching.